All right, guys, what's going on? This is Travis with Preston, and today I'm in Salem, Massachusetts. I got my homeboy, Kevy Kev. All right, so Kevy Kev is going to be kind of showing me around Salem, and this is the perfect time of the year, October. And so he's actually got me going for breakfast, all right? Because I know I'm a breakfast type of dude. And we're at Red's Sandwich Shop, all right? So tell me why you brought me here.
Red's is probably one of Salem's first and best breakfast shops. So I wanted to make sure you came through and tried the home fries, an omelet, or the waffles, the pancakes. Something is amazing.
So I'm gonna try all that. Everything he just said, I'm gonna try all of it. I'm gonna nibble, as they say. So let's go inside. So they normally packed, but right now, normally he said they'd be kind of packed, whatever. But we're about to go inside. All right.
Absolutely.
All right, so we just sat down. The wait wasn't too bad. Normally it's, like I said, about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how many people you have in your party. I did over here, somebody had a party of 8 or 9, and then they was told it was like 20-minute wait. So looking at the menu, I believe I'm gonna get the 2 eggs, which is served with home fries and toast. And I'm gonna get bacon, and I'm gonna get probably sausage patties as well. I'm gonna try with their pancakes, and I'm gonna try with their waffles to see what it's hitting on. What you got? What you gonna do, Playboy?
I think I'm gonna do the all-meat omelet.
Okay.
Ham, bacon, sausage, kielbasa, steak, and cheese.
Oh yeah, that doesn't sound fire. Yeah. I might have to
With
nibble on his
fries.
food too. So yeah, right now we're just waiting on our waitress to come back. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna try. I don't see any beverages that really stick out to me. But it is breakfast though.
You got a drink menu right there.
Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna get a mimosa. Yeah, I'm gonna get a mimosa. And they have plenty of mimosas. They have blood orange, pomegranate, raspberry, guava, lavender, the OG, apple cider. Which one?
The OG, the regular.
It's probably just regular. Apple cider, peach Bellini, passion fruit, and rosé. Yeah, I think that sounds delicious. The only thing they're missing is bottomless mimosa.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I don't know if that's just a DC thing or
It's definitely not a Boston thing, man.
it's not a Boston thing.
Or Salem. I wish it was.
All right, so yeah, I'm definitely, like I said, I'm gonna try the mimosa whenever she comes back. Let's see what that's hitting on. All right, guys. So the the waitress, she just brought out the mimosas. We ordered 3 for 19. Kev got the regular, the OG, and then I got the lavender. And then I also got the passion fruit. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it for you guys. It's pretty decent if you like passion fruit. The lavender is it. So now we're just waiting on the food. How you like your OG?
The OG is awesome.
The OG was good? Okay.
I gotta be careful with it though.
It can sneak up on you. All right, so like I said, we're still waiting. All right. All right, so we got our food. Let me show you right now. We have the sausage, come with 3 patties.
The patties are really good.
This big ass waffle, as you can see.
Are you guys good for now?
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
And then we got this huge pancake. Pancake is crazy.
Is it plain?
Yeah, I got it plain. And then got all that. Yes. All right, so let me put this down.
You have to go ham.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try this out. So I'm gonna go with these. Oh, I got my sriracha. Let me try that in a couple seconds though. They got butter in it? Okay. We're 2 for 2 right now.
Because I didn't do anything else.
Oh man. Okay.
I would die. That's the I don't drink that
Oh yeah.
They're good, right?
Everything hitting.
I told you.
That's good. Okay, so I'm gonna try the waffle first. See what this waffle talking about.
Oh no, it's good. Oh, unless you want this up. So I was gonna say, I just ate it with.
All right. Let's get this. Let's get the butter.
So I was gonna say, there's also
Gotta put a little butter on it. Alright. Let's see.
Do you have a spot in DC that you or Virginia that you
For breakfast?
go-to spot?
Nah, not yet. DC got so many spots, and also but see the thing is I work on Sundays, so I never get to do brunch and stuff like that.
Summer's like, I'll sacrifice myself for it.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay.
They got the sugar. I mean, not the sugar. That's regular sugar.
That's regular sugar, yeah. I thought like the powdered sugar.
That's what I thought, yeah. Like confectionate sugar or something like that?
Yeah, confection sugar, yeah. The crazy part is the wait for the food wasn't long.
I don't know. I got it like
So then you could
10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
That's good though. So that means that's why the wait isn't so long.
Yeah. I'm out here smashing this. I should be trying out the pancake. My fault, guys. Okay. Let's try the pancake. Alright, let's get another thing of butter.
I was allergic to the allergy shots.
That's the one thing I like about IHOP. They be having that hot butter. I mean, not hot butter, but hot syrup.
So the shots are essentially
Like spicy or like
No, like they warm it up. So I don't know if you ever had warm maple syrup, but
I don't really like syrup like that.
oh, okay.
Like I'll have it, like if I'm at like a farm or some shit like that. But
Yeah.
She gave it to me. I went back to her and I laid down for my classes and I woke up and I had like the palms of my hands, the bottom of my feet,
All right.
my throat, my whole body. And then we ended up.
Let's see what we have here.
So I went back to her and she was like, oh my God, they called me an ambulance. And I went to her and sit with one of those like healer things. And they gave me epi shots. And then I finally got to open my face.
Okay. I already know which one I like better. The pancake is good. So if I had to choose, it'd be the pancake. Oh yeah, that thing's good. All right, that was good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and smash some of this food off, and I'm gonna come back at the end to critique what Kev, what he likes, what he don't like, what could be better, and stay tuned. All right, so we just got done smashing the food off, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. So for the establishment, I really do love it. It has a very rustic feel to it. And you said this is the first,
Breakfast spot.
so hence the reason why it's rustic. But very clean. The waitress were nice. Like I said, we were seated within 5 or 10 minutes. Our food came out within maybe 5 or 10 minutes of that. Prices seemed very reasonable. And even if the prices wasn't reasonable, the goddamn portions. The portions is crazy. I saw how big that goddamn pancake was. So yeah, and then the food itself was delicious. Everything was good. I would say I would like the pancake over the waffle. I will say that, yeah. And then also for the mimosas was delicious. Definitely the lavender is better for me. Trying to get the receipt. Yeah, so all that food that we order is only $70. So I feel like that's a very, very reasonable price. And so what do you think? Well, I know you ate it before, but you can give your opinion.
Fun fact, it was actually the meeting place for the Patriots before the American Revolution. So that's something cool to know. Back in obviously the 1600s around there. But that food was amazing. The kielbasa, the steak, everything was just on par.
All right. So like I said, it's Travis of Preston. Oh, cheers in my German Dutch voice. So like I said, this is Travis of Preston signing out from Red Sandwich Shop in Salem, Massachusetts. Make sure that you like, subscribe, leave a comment at the end of this video. Let me know what you think. And also give me some suggestions of where I can eat. Like I said, because I'm international, baby. I don't mind traveling, all right? So I don't care what country, state, whatever. I would damn sure come. And like I said, and Kev, he travels a whole hell of a lot more than I do. So I know he'll come somewhere and try some food and give you some good content, all right? All right, so peace.